Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about different types of ISO lines, and then we do with some PYQs based on these. Well, ISO lines are very important from any earth science examination point of view. So I think you must go through these before any exam. Starting with what exactly are isolines? Isolines are also the contour lines which represent the elevation on a map by connecting the points of equal elevation. For example, वी टेक कि इन लाइंस में हो सकता है कि दे आर कनेक्टिंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ इक्वल एलिवेशन. ओके, नाउ हमने कोई टेरेन देख ली, यहाँ पे हो सकता है कि जैसे दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंटूर. सो दिस कंटूर द एलिवेशन मस्ट बी माइट बी कि यहाँ पर 700 एलिवेशन हो गया. ठीक है, सो ये जो पूरी लाइन बनी हुई है, इस पूरी लाइन के along, if you will move on that area, you will find the elevation as 700. So this is the line which is joining the points जहाँ पर elevation 700 है. Then as we are going down, so we can see कि the next is like 690 elevation. So now 690 के जो भी points हमने mark किए होंगे, and when we'll move on this line, it will show the line of 690 elevation in particular. Okay, so these are imaginary lines which provide a visual interpretation of the terrain or any other theme of study. हो सकता है ये किसी terrain के बारे में बता रहे हो, या फिर हम जैसे इसमें pressure, temperature और बहुत सारी टाइप्स ऑफ लाइन जो हम आगे देखने वाले हैं. सो एनी टाइप ऑफ जो भी हमारा थीम है स्टडी का वो रिप्रेजेंट करेंगी. ओके, एंड इसकी एक बात ये ध्यान रखनी है कि अगर कंटूर लाइंस आर वेरी क्लोज टुगेदर, दे विल रिप्रेजेंट अ स्टीप स्लोप, एंड जब वो बहुत दूर दूर होंगी, दे विल रिप्रेजेंट अ ग्रेजुअल स्लोप. ओके, starting with first iso bar. As you can see, यहाँ पर bar लिखा हुआ है. Bar is the unit of pressure, so a line representing point of equal atmospheric pressure, easy to identify. Then isobath is basically depth underwater कितनी है उस point उन पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन. देन बाथी दोनों साथ में आ रहे हैं, बाथी भी आ रहा है एंड थर्म इज फॉर टेम्परेचर. So line representing depths of water with equal temperature. Isochasm, a line representing points of equal reoccurrence of auroras. Isochemes, line representing points of equal mean winter temperature. Isochrones, line representing points of equal age. Next, isodose, line representing points of equal intensity of radiation. Isodrosotherm, line representing point of equal dew point. Isodynamic, important PYQ आ चुका है, a line representing point of equal magnetic field intensity. Isogeotherm, line representing points of equal mean temperature. Isogonal, यहाँ पर आइसोडायनामिक इक्वल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी है, आइसोगोनल आर इक्वल मैग्नेटिक डिक्लिनेशन रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. आइसोग्रेड अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मेटामॉर्फिक पेट्रोलॉजी एंड जियोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Many a times PYQs come on this. So this is a line on the map connecting points on the earth where metamorphism of rock occur under the same temperature and pressure conditions. Then isohaline, important from oceanography point of view, a line representing points of equal salinity in the ocean. Then we have the isohel, which is a line representing points receiving equal amounts of sunshine. Isohum, a line representing point of equal humidity. Isohyde, a line representing points of equal precipitation. Isonep, a line representing point of equal amount of cloud cover. See here, nef is for cloud cover and hep is for the equal precipitation. Okay, isopectic line representing points where ice begins to form at the same time at the beginning of winter. Isosphere, a line representing point of equal atmospheric density. Then isotag, a line representing point where ice begins to melt at the same time each spring. Isotach, a line representing point of equal wind speed. Isothere, a line representing point of equal mean summer temperature. यहाँ पे isotag है, then it is isotach. Isotag is when the ice begins to melt each time at the same time each spring, and isotach is for equal points of wind speed. Isothere for points of equal mean summer temperature. Then isoseismic, also important, earthquake seismology point of view से a line representing point on the earth surface at which earthquake intensity is the same. Isopatch, line representing points of equal thickness, important, PYQ आ चुका है. ISO 10, a line representing point of equal slope. Okay, now here is a question. A specific change in mineral assemblage reflecting a metamorphic reaction and satisfying the condition of reaction equilibrium. So this is again asking us with the line. So here isograd, as we saw in the previous slides, ki isograd is the line which represents the point on the earth where metamorphism occurred under the same temperature and pressure conditions. So here it is asking the same thing, that mineral assemblage, a change in mineral assemblage reflecting a metamorphic reaction and satisfying the conditions of equilibrium is, so this is isograd. Now, which of the following is defined as a line points joining rock have suffered metamorphism under same pressure and temperature conditions? Same line लिखी हुई है, तो this is also isograd. Next, we have the line joining points of equal thickness of a particular stratigraphic unit on different parts of sedimentary basin. So basically, this is isopatch. If you go and recall what isopatch was, it was a line representing point of equal thickness. So here it is asking the line joining the points of equal thickness of a particular stratigraphic unit. So this will be isopatch. I hope you know now isobad, nef and het also. Next, we have isodynamic contours of geomagnetic field represent lines of. So now it is asking about isodynamic. So as we saw about isodynamic also, again we can recall this. Here it is saying a line representing point of equal magnetic field intensity. So isodynamic lines or isodynamic contours of geomagnetic field represent lines of equal total field intensity. Next is the isogonic lines are contours of equal magnetic. So this is declination. I hope this also you can recall by this slide. A line representing point of equal magnetic declination. Okay. So these were some PYQs that I had taken, and that's it